Do you know about volcano eruption? Volcanoes are powerful, but one eruption stands above all in destruction. In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded, the largest eruption ever recorded. The blast was heard 1,200 miles away. Ash blocked the sun, turning day into night. The eruption caused a global famine. Crops failed. Over 70,000 people died. Today, Tambora's crater is a reminder of nature's raw power. Scientists watch closely because the next mega eruption could happen anytime. Thanks for watching.